What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoe-tainment today. Coming at you again with another real review. If this is your first time over here in Atlanta, McFly, man, I welcome you. Appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you become a frequent flyer. You like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff that all of us YouTubers say. As you can see, man, right now we got a box. Today is Friday, Black Friday. Sesame's dropped today. Don't really know how they did because I haven't been to the mall. There's been all kind of sales going on. That goat raffle hit today. If anybody won on that goat raffle, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you hit on that, because I don't know about that goat raffle. Either way, goal's still set, man. We're trying to hit 300 subs by January 1. We are well on our way, man. You know, everybody have a friend, tell a friend, show your family, show everybody. Whatever you gotta do, get it out there. Make a fake account if you got to. I need these subs. Alright? So if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you already know what this shoe is. Shoe came out on Tuesday. Anybody remember what came out on Tuesday? I do! So we're gonna go ahead and get this open. For starters, man, y'all see anything special about this Nike box? When did Nike start putting swooshes on these boxes, man? Don't tell me the rep people done start faking the damn Nike boxes. And tape. I had to put Nike checks on them. Handy dandy knife. So, I'm pretty excited about this shoe, man. For those of y'all who don't know, this is a pair of King James's LeBrons. I have not purchased a pair of LeBrons since the LeBron 12. I bought the Black History Month 12, sold it to one of the homies. It was a dope shoe, but it was kind of tight on my foot. Before that, I liked a couple of the 11s, but I really wasn't rocking with LeBrons. But this time around with these 16s, man, they've really hit this joint on the head. So they're released on Tuesday on Sneakers and a couple of other places. And I've been dying to see this up close. For those of you who don't know, we do real reviews, man. I don't open the box, I don't cheat. God almighty. Shoe tree coming out the top. Oh, maybe it's not. That's just how it is. It poke out like that. Woo! Just off this first glance right here. Man! In the comments below, man, let me know how you guys feel about the LeBron 16, man. You feeling them? You not feeling them? You hate them? You love them? Whatever. Let me know in the comments, man. Let's talk about it. But for now, for those of you who are familiar, we're gonna zoom you in for this close-up action. Alright, man, got you fitted up on this tag. These LeBron 16s, man, as you can see, retail was $185. I'm not sure if these were limited or not, but they were dedicated to the I Promise Foundation. As you know, we opened the I Promise School. Got your LeBron logo across the top. Not really sure if there's anything else on here. LeBron 16 on that side. shoe trees out, as you can see. Get to them in a minute. Some standard white paper. And no quality control or nothing in this box. It's blank. Shoe trees. Strange shoe trees. Nothing on them, just lying around the ankle. Got some stuff on the inside here. Bigfoot gang. Size 14, son. Struggle is real. Alright, now back to what you're here for. Starting here at your toe box, this is comprised of a all battle knit 2.0 upper with woven multicolor. In between your tongue has a tumbled leather. One shoe says, just a kid from Akron. You have blue and orange lace tips. They're not metal. They're your standard lace tips wrapped in blue and orange. And that kind of pissed me off, but because there was so much you could have did with these laces. This tumble leather is nice. Your LeBron James logo here. Same here. Just a kid from Akron. Let me pick this up. Pick this ship up. Man, do you see the flip-flop and the color change on that? Iridescent Nike swoosh. It was a great touch. I've got a watch that goes with this to the T, an Invicta watch. I'll show it to you in a second. The LeBron James Family Foundation on that shoe. This is a tumbled leather on the back as well to match the tongue. Going to your medial side, Nike swoosh here. And this was kind of throwing me off at first, how you got like the little dots here and the lines everywhere else, but it's cool. Toe cap, solid black midsole, running into your pod system here on the bottom. I'm down to know how this is gonna feel on foot. Dunkman logo, orange, yellow, blue, and clear with the blue logo. Actually I forgot this part. Behind the tongue, I Promise. You have 330, Believe. There's something else down in there, but I can't really get to it. This shoe, you have I Promise as well. And those logos in there. We are family. Same potted system. This shoe is off the chain, man. I'm extremely excited. Like I said, I haven't bought a pair since the 12. But this watch I was telling you about. Bam! This Invicta watch. With all that iridescent on that thing. Bam! Bam! Turn it that way. Man, that is gonna kill, bro. But that's pretty much it about the shoe, man. It's dope. I still need those 1 through 5s. I gotta get them, and then I might be done with the 16, just depending on what all is dropping. But these are the only 2 that I like so far. These and the 1 through 5s. But there's nothing else left to do but to get up into this on foot thing. All right, man, we got you zoomed in for this on foot close-up action. And looking down at these, man, this shoe is crazy. Like, Nike hit this joint out the park, man. Like I said, tell me what you think in the comments. We're gonna move around here, man, and let y'all see this in action a little bit. So, anybody got any ideas on different stuff I can do for the on foot as far as positioning, or what, views you guys would like to see more than another view? Let me know, man. I'll gladly put it in. We only got 2 feet. It's only so much you can do. When it come to these, I could do like a breakdancing routine or something. Try to tap dancing or whatever. I don't know. But just trying to give you guys some shots, man, of this incredibly dope shoe. Looking forward to what's gonna transpire with this 16, man. Cause this thing, I can't stop saying this off the chain. It's dope. It's been a very long time since I was wowed by LeBron. And I'm really wowed by these. Cushioning on them is great. That pod system is awesome compared to the little like 5 pods or whatever they had on the 12s. This is way better than that. The comfort is extreme. It doesn't run small like some of those other ones. If you're gonna get a pair, definitely go true to size. You don't have to go up or down or none of that. Stick to your regular size. And I've got a pretty wide foot and it's comfortable for me, so. I just wish they did something different with them lace tips, man. That cheesy wrap on the blue and the yellow. It's all good though, man. I'll take it. Unless I can find me some other strings to put in it, but in my opinion, man, this shoe is dope. Nike really did their thing with this, man. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all keep that ball rolling. But until next time, it's your boy McFly, man. I'll holla at you.